Hi guys, so today I'm showing you this energy beauty bar here, which comes in a very cute box, and inside it's packaged very nicely. So we have the carry case, which means you don't have to take this box out with you, and when you're traveling you can just place it all in here, turn it up and carry it on your way. And then we have the product itself. So you get one bar here and then you get 4 separate heads. The first one we have is the rose quartz head, which is for under your eyes. Something like this is great for even in the mornings if you wake up and you find your skin is quite puffy. This is great for you because the rose quartz is a generally very cold surface and it will just depuff those areas without having to even put on any makeup or anything like that. And then we have this bullet shaped head here, which is for the rest of your face. You can see this one is made from 24K gold. And so as you're using this, it will release ions into your skin, which is great for recirculating blood and just for getting rid of fine lines and wrinkles, which is obviously a problem that a lot of us face. Then we have 2 T-shaped heads like so. So you've got a curved one for curved areas of your face and then a straight one for the straight areas. So a product like this is really good for when you want to put on moisturizer or serum and you need it to absorb into your face more, because this itself turns on like so and it vibrates, and then we can just use it like this and you'll know that the product is really being absorbed into your skin, because this will do that for you with using the vibration and the bars itself. So if you have wrinkles, or if you want to produce more collagen, or if you just want a more radiant complexion, then something like this is a great purchase for you. And like I said, it's portable, you can carry it, and it has batteries inside, so you can just replace those and use it as you please.